Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Jamie. I'm sorry if I have a messy background. I'm here in my room and today it's going to be my first time to make bread. I'm gonna share with you the recipe. I'm really excited how this will turn out, so I hope that my family likes it. And I'm also gonna send some of the bread to my boyfriend Lester, so see you in a bit. To make this bread, you will need the following ingredients. First step is to prepare everything that you will need to make the dough in garlic herb olive oil. Mince the garlic and prepare the dried rosemary and thyme. Fresh garlic is essential for a perfect garlic focaccia. I use 2 cloves, but for a really garlicky bread, you can increase that. For the herbs, use what you love and have available to you. I personally love rosemary and thyme, so that's what I used. If you don't have an access to fresh herbs, you can use the dried substitutes. Now that these are ready, set aside and make the dough. Mix yeast with warm water and honey. These 3 help the bread rise and give it structure. The warmth of the water and the sugars and the honey wake up the yeast. Now that the yeast mixture is ready, make the garlic herb oil. Infuse olive oil with garlic and fresh herbs. This simple step makes the bread unbelievably delicious. Make sure not to overcook the garlic, as this will make the bread taste bitter. Mix everything together and heat only up to 7 minutes. Add black pepper to taste. Now, going back to the yeast mixture, add the flour, salt, and some of the garlic herb oil to it. Mix everything together until it forms a dough, and then knead the dough for up to 10 to 15 times. You'll be surprised you wouldn't have to do any more than this. From the recipe I found online, it says that all-purpose flour is perfect for making focaccia bread. It says that you can use bread flour, but the bread will become a bit more chewy. You just don't know how happy I am to see this dough. Now that you're done kneading, oil the bowl where you're going to leave the dough to rise and cover with a damp cloth. Leave it there for about an hour until the dough rises and becomes double its size. Now, oil the pan that you're going to use to bake the bread. Put the dough in the pan and add dimples to the top of the dough and top it with the remaining garlic herb oil. Let the bread rise for another 20 minutes and then it's now ready for baking. Check on your bread until it becomes golden brown and it's done. If you're concerned about the calorie count, I slice the bread so it'll make 125 calories per slice. It's my nephew Liam on the background, following his mom wherever she goes. We call each other bestie. This bread just tastes so yummy. Serve it with balsamic vinegar or top it off with ham or sun-dried tomatoes. You may even use it to make pizza. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching. And if you do like my content, I hope that you consider subscribing and clicking on the bell button so that you'd be notified whenever I have new videos up on this channel. So if you have other video requests that you want me to make, just feel free to send me a DM or send a comment down below or follow me on my social media accounts, Jamie Faith Fan or at Starburst on Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time.